Today, I will show you guys how to make this rich and creamy hair conditioner at home. You can see how beautiful this hair conditioner looks like. I'm going to teach you guys how to produce your own hair conditioner at the comfort of your home. So just watch this video and learn how to produce hair conditioner. Over here are the ingredients I'll be using for this project. I'll try and make this production as simple and as easy as possible so that you can also practice it at home. Here is my mixing bowl, and over here is my paraffin oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, you can use shea butter, you can use sunflower oil, you can use olive oil, or you choose to use the paraffin oil. Any oil you have, you can use. If you observe carefully, I had mixed different wax in this oil. I added the emulsifying wax, I added the cetyl alcohol, which is also a wax, and I added the stearic acid, which also behaves like a wax. This is because I want the hair conditioner to be very thick and creamy. These waxes combined together will help us produce a very thick and a very creamy hair conditioner. And here is my water. I'm making use of 5 liters of water. I'm going to boil this water. Don't forget, I have put my oil on fire and melted the wax in the oil. You can see the wax has melted in the oil, and I have boiled my water. So my water is hot and my oil is also hot, and I melted my wax in the oil. I put it on fire and it melted. Now I'm going to mix the two of them together. I have poured my oil into the hot water, but this container looks too small, so I'm going to empty it into another bigger container. This container is not containing all of my ingredients. I don't want it to pour while I'm mixing it, so I'm going to put it into something that is a bit bigger and more comfortable for this production. So we have started our production. That is my glycerin. I'm adding 200 grams of glycerin. So you can see all the ingredients I'm using for this production. You can actually get them at the chemical store. Just go to chemical store at your location, get to where they sell chemicals, and purchase these chemicals. They are very easy to get. They are not difficult to get. I'm going to use my stick blender to start this production. If you have a stick blender, you can use it to make your hair conditioner because it will make the job faster. Stick blender makes the job faster, but you can use any mixing equipment you have if you don't have a stick blender, but stick blender makes the job faster. And also I run online classes just in case you want to join my class on learn how to make the laundry bar soap, the organic soap, the body cream, the detergent, the hair shampoo, the hair conditioner, the liquid soap. There's a lot you learn in my online class, so you can do it by reaching me through the link of this video, or you reach me through this phone number I have displayed here to join the online class. I will keep mixing this for at least an hour or an hour plus. Most times it can take up to 45 minutes for it to be ready. So, but just know it takes like 45 minutes, or it takes an hour, or it takes an hour plus for it to turn to a hair conditioner. So when you are making hair conditioner, you have to be patient. You have to keep on mixing and mixing for a long time until you've finally achieved your creamy hair conditioner. You can also purchase my ebooks. I sell ebooks on how to make soap and the rest of the other things I teach. I I have a very good and very informative and very educative ebook that you can purchase and learn how to produce these things at the comfort of your home. If you need this ebook, you can do it by reaching me on WhatsApp through that mobile number I displayed there to purchase my ebook. Purchase this ebook and you won't regret that you purchase it, because it's very informative and very, very illustrative. Here is our sodium benzoate. I'm using 50 grams. I'm going to dissolve it in water. That is water that I poured inside. This will make our hair conditioner to last for a very, very long time. It's a preservative, a very good and a very mild preservative. It is not harsh on the skin. This is a very mild preservative to use. It's called the sodium benzoate. So I'm going to pour it into this our production after I have dissolved it in the water. Now I'll be adding the fragrance. You can use any fragrance of your choice, but here I decided to use vanilla fragrance because I like the smell. It's very, very nice and very sweet. You can use any fragrance of your choice, but me, I wanted to use the vanilla fragrance because I like the odor. It is very, very nice and very sweet. So we are done producing our hair conditioner. The next thing you want to be doing is to package this product. You can literally start up a hair conditioner business and sell it to hairdressing salons and make money. This is a good business you can start up. You learn this skill, you package it well, and you start up a good business. You can also do well. If you are watching this video for the first time, you can do well by following me. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell notification. Click on the bell notification so that you'll be notified each time I post a new video. If you're watching this on Facebook, do well by following me. Please share this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to drop your comments, and also don't forget to join our training. Don't forget to purchase the ebook. Thank you all for watching. Like I said before, don't forget to follow me so that you'll be updated. You will not miss out by any video that I drop. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. Goodbye and have a lovely day.